friends, greetings to everyone. Welcome back to our ETC information channel. Our topic today is how to keep our brain healthy. Before starting the video, subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell to get our updates. Let's start. Maintaining the brain healthy is important for cognitive function, emotional stability, and overall quality of life. As we age, it is important to adopt practices that maintain brain health good. So let's see further how brain health can be maintained. Mental stimulation. Engaging in activities that challenge the brain helps keep it sharp. Cognitive functions like memory, problem solving, and learning can be enhanced through mental stimulation. Puzzles and games. Activities like crosswords, Sudoku, and chess stimulate different areas of the brain and improves problem-solving skills. Learning new skills means learning something new, such as learning a new language, or doing some new course, doing a new activity. This creates new neural connections and keeps the human brain busy. Talking about the third stimulation, it includes reading and writing. Regular reading and writing keep cognitive functions good and increases mental flexibility. Let us talk further about physical exercise. Regular physical activity improves blood flow to the brain, reducing inflammation and promoting the growth of new neurons. This benefits brain health. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. Aerobic exercise activities like walking, jogging, swimming, and cycling enhance heart health, and the brain also remains healthy. Doing strength training helps maintain muscle mass and overall health, which indirectly supports cognitive function. Balance or coordination exercise improves balance and coordination. After exercise, let's talk about healthy diet, which will make your brain strong. First of all, it contains omega-3 fatty acids, which are also found in fish like salmon and trout, and also in flax seeds and walnuts. Omega-3 is important for brain cell structure and function. Talking about antioxidants, blackberries, dark chocolate, and green tea are rich in antioxidants, which protects the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation. Whole grains and fiber foods like oatmeal, brown rice, and whole wheat support sustained energy levels and cognitive function support. Staying hydrated is important to maintain optimal brain functioning. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. If we talk about quality sleep, adequate sleep is essential for brain health. During sleep, the brain processes and consolidates memories. Waste cleans things up and resets itself for the next day. To improve sleep quality, establish a routine, go to sleep and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Create a relaxing environment, make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. Limit stimulants, avoid caffeine and electronic screens before bed, as they disrupt your sleep patterns. If we talk about stress management, chronic stress can negatively impact brain health by affecting memory. Managing stress effectively is important to maintain brain health. Practices like mindfulness and meditation can reduce stress and improve cognitive function. Relaxation techniques also prove to be very helpful for the brain. Deep breathing exercises and yoga help deal with stress levels. You can also make social connections. Maintaining strong social relationships and engaging in meaningful activities provide emotional support, where stress can be reduced. Regular health check-ups are also very important. Monitoring conditions that affect brain health such as high blood pressure, diabetes, and cholesterol levels. Consult your doctor for personalized advice and examination. By incorporating these strategies into your daily life, you can maintain good brain health. Remember, small, consistent changes can make a significant difference in maintaining a healthy, vibrant brain. So this was some information about human brain. I hope you liked this information. To watch similar videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Until next time, goodbye.